So here we have the packet of the Dashing Diva Magic Pick, the easiest nail art ever. Came from the Dollar General and cost $5. Comes with 30 nail art stickers and 2 precision placement tools. With it, you also get a prep pad, just one-time use. Some instructions on how to use the tool. Your stickers, there's 30 of them. Some of them have already been used, but in your packet you'll have all 30. Let's see that a little better on the white there. This one's butterflies and flowers. They do have other designs you can choose from. And then these are little tools that you can use to actually place them on your finger. I've tried using them. They do work to a certain extent, but if you see that you're having trouble with them, just get a pair of tweezers, and you can use tweezers just as easily to pull it off and put it onto your finger. Once you get your nails set the way you want them, you're going to want to use some type of a top coat that's going to just hold those stickers on so that they stay a little bit longer. I found that with 2 top coat layers over top of the stickers, my nails with heavy usage lasted about a week, week and a half. Okay, so to get started, all you need is that prep pad. I went ahead and trimmed my nails completely down, short. I like them short. And then you just prep over the nails that you're going to work on so that they are clean, dry, and free of any debris. That's just going to allow the stickers to stick a little better. And I think I'm just going to do my ring fingers, possibly my thumbs. We'll see how it goes. So let that dry a little bit. It's alcohol, it won't take very long, it'll dissipate. Then it's just a matter of deciding what stickers do I want to use, where do I want to put them, what kind of design do I want. And we'll try using these little tools here first so you can see how that it's done. There's 2 different sizes. This one's for like the bigger butterflies, and this one's like for the smaller flowers or the smaller butterflies. But let's go ahead and try it with the smaller one. Okay, we'll just move this out of the way. Now it's a matter of which one do I want to use. So I think I'm going to go with purple this time. So I like how some of these are already set, or they're like flying or fluttering around. So I might just imitate that. Let's go with this one. Just press that tool down on the sticker a little bit, and then carefully pull the sticker up off of the little platform here. You can see I got the sticker. I don't know if you can see it. There's the sticker. And it is ready to be placed. So now I just need to decide where I want to put it. And then you just kind of stick it down in place, press a little firmly, pull up your tool carefully, and then just press down again with your fingers, making sure that it's stuck nice and firmly. Okay, and that's how it's done. It's as simple as that. And then 2 top coats and you're finished. So it's just a matter of, is that done or do we want more? And I think I do want more. I think maybe something that's going to come around this side. I like these flowers down here. So let's take these flowers, peel them up if we can. This is where this tool is a little harder to work with, and That's when you can just take your tweezers and just pull up on the edge very lightly. Give it a little pinch and pull it off. For me, that's a lot easier than using that tool. And then I can see what I'm doing to place it where I want it. Do I want it up close? Yes. We're going to do like a tip with flowers, I think. Let's see. That looks really busy, huh? Do we like that? I think we do. And I think I'm just going to stick with one nail on my ring finger. I think that would be nice. I could make it match on the other side, but I think we're just going to stick with this here. So you see, we got, you can see it, butterflies and flowers. They're pressed down nice and tightly. And then all you need to do is grab the top coat and put top coat on over top of your sticker, all over your entire finger. I'd recommend doing every finger because this top coat is shiny, it's glossy. So you'll have one finger glossy and the rest not. So I'd recommend going ahead and putting that top coat over all of your nails, just so that they all have that same shine to them. I'm going to let this dry and then put a second coat on it, and that's all this takes. And you have a quick $5 nails.